Welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Patrick. I promised you the mobile version of the strategy, which I am going to do right now. I'm going to show you how to enter the trades. Maybe let me start by looking at the trades we took today using this strategy. Here the running trades. It's like one has hit stop loss. Okay, that one. This one hit stop loss, the rest of them are in profit, and only one is still at the entry point. These signals were also sent in my free Telegram right there. These were the signals. These were the signals. Okay, here was the mobile version. Here was the mobile version of it. So if you are interested in this strategy, watch this video till the end. It's going to help you right away. I'm going to explain all you might want to know about this strategy. I trade this strategy on the hourly time frame. You can do your own research on other time frames. Okay, so without any waste of time, let me just rush to it. I'll scroll back. I've already put the arrows just for an illustration. And please, if you have not watched the first strategy, which is based on trading view, you are missing out a lot. Please watch that video. I will put its link in the video description. Watch the whole of it. This one is even going to make more sense after watching that one. Let me start on the whiteboard and explain some few things so that it's easier to understand when we go to the real charts. On the chart, we are going to find the RSI lines. RSI lines, let's say this is the 10 line level and this is the 90 line level. Now, let's say price is moving up like this and it touches the 90 line level right here. It touches the 90 level, and on the main chart you have price moving up like this, and it touches the 90 level right there. Let's say it touches the 90 level right at this point. It touches the 90 level. What you do is you mark this key level just before price touched the 90 level. If price touched the 90 level at this point, you would use this key level. But since price touched the 90 level here, then you have to use this key level. So what you are going to do is you are going to mark this key level with a horizontal rectangle. The next thing that you do, you wait for price. Since price touched the 90 level, you are looking to sell. It is your sell signal. You wait for price to come and cross or close below this key level. Close with a full candle, probably with two candles, and then you take a sell right away. Right here, you sell. Okay, you sell. So that's it. Same thing for a buy. You wait for price to touch the 10 line level, and then after price has touched the 10 line level, what you will have is something like this. And then if price touched the 10 line level right there, you're going to mark this key level. If price crosses the key line level or the key level, you take a buy. Simple as that. Now let's go to the real chart for you to see those examples. And this strategy is over 90% effective if used accurately. If used accurately, it can be over 90% accurate, as you have seen the results that I shared with you. Okay, let's start from here. I've closed the data so it won't refresh. Right here on this arrow, price touched the 90 level, and on the main chart on this arrow, it is where price touched the 90 level. So I marked the key level with this rectangle. It is the key level just before price touched the 90 level. You can even highlight the whole key level right here. It is this key level. So what you do, price at the beginning of this arrow, it is where price closed below the key level, so you would have taken a sell right there and check the results, and you put your your risk to reward ratio of 3, and again right here price touch the 10 line level, and you highlight the key level just before price touched the 10 line level, and if price closes above that highlighted key level, you take a buy. So you would have taken a buy. Even though it's a poor trade, it would be a poor trade if you put a tight stop loss. Otherwise, price did move in the upper direction. So let's say this would have been a poor trade because price didn't move much into the upper side. Okay, so let's continue. Right here again we have price touching the 10 line level right here, and then you highlight the key level, and then price crossed that key level, so you would have taken a buy, and this could have been a good trade. Let's rush. Price at this point touched the 90 level, which was a sell signal. So you mark this key level. I hope you are able to identify key levels. If not, I can make a separate video on that one. So you highlight this key level, and then you wait for price to cross that key level, of which you could have taken your trade at the beginning of this arrow, and this could have been a good trade. And then right here again at the end of this arrow, price touched the 10 line level. After touching the 10 line level, you highlight the key level, which is just before price touched the 10 line level, and then you wait for price to come back up and cross this key level. So you could have taken a buy at the beginning of this arrow, and this could have been another good trade. And right here again, price touched the 990 level, which was a sell setup. You highlight the key level just before price went up to touch the 90 level. You wait for price to cross. You could have entered the trade right at the beginning of this arrow, and this could have been a good trade. And then again price touched the 10 line level at this point, so you highlight the key level just before this point where price touched the 10 line level, which was this. Price came up and crossed this key level, and if price doesn't cross this key level, it happens that price continued in the downward direction, and that is clearly seen on the strategy that I shared before, on the video that I shared before, the trading view strategy. So price closes above this, you could have taken a buy right here. Maybe it could have been a spoiled trade if you would put a tight stop loss. Otherwise price did move into the upper direction. Okay, you hold, and right at this point price touches the 90 level. You mark your key level just before price touched the 90 level right there. you mark your key level, price closes below it, you take a trade at the beginning of the arrow, and it could have been a great trade. Same thing, price touches here 10 line level, you highlight the key level just before price got to the 10 line level, price closes above, you take a trade. It was a good trade. The same thing right here, same thing, price closes before you take a trade. It could have been a good sell trade there. Price touches the 10 line level. We took this trade and it's in profit. Price touches the 10 line level here. What is this pair? NZD/JPY. And then price closes above this. We took this trade. Let me just show you. It's NZD/JPY. It is this trade, NZD/JPY. It is this trade. It is in profit, as you can see. And I also shared it in the Telegram channel. Where is NZD/JPY? It's this one. It's this trade setup. It was sent and it is now in profit. That's it, nothing more. Simple strategy. If you want more, please, my Telegram link is in the video description. And please don't go on Telegram and start searching for my name. You will find a lot of scams. Just use the link in the video description. And also don't follow links which you will find in the comments. You will be misled. There are a lot of scammers. So please, just be sure you have gone to my Telegram channel. Let me show you what you will find if you get to my Telegram channel. Is it this one? You should find such information. This is a scammer. If you ever visit a channel and it looks like that, it's not me. So I'm not selling anything in this channel. You will just find signals. It's signals right away. Just before I go, let me give you the strategy settings. There are a lot of videos in my channel that contain this strategy where you can find the settings, but let me just give you have the RSI and the moving envelopes. Let me just delete everything and start from scratch. Delete. On your clean chart, you are going to come to this F function, go to relative strength index right here, and then it's period 1, apply to close at these levels 10, 20, 50, 80, 90. Let me delete these empty ones. Okay, 10, 20, 50, 80, 90. Okay, it's supposed to be like this. Go back, click done, and then you come to this F function again. On indicator window 1, you press indicator window 1, and then you go to envelopes. Period should be 1, shift 0, deviation 0, method here should be smooth, apply to close, and then upper band, lower band. Just do that and then you click done. Simple as that. You have it there. So please, that's it about this strategy. It really works, it really pays, it can work for you. I wish the best for you. Enjoy your day, enjoy your trading. Much love.